Cause every single person is unique, so no two customers are ever the same, right? And that's why it's really important to meet the individual preferences and needs of each customer. Greetings everyone, I'm David from Smart Sender, and let's see how to use dynamic content to add a personal touch to your messages. First, let's talk about variables. These placeholders allow you to personalize your messages based on the customer's data. Here you can see an email template that I've prepared beforehand. Pay attention that I'm using the first name variable instead of the exact customer's name. In this case, when I finally send the campaign, the system will automatically replace the variable with each customer's actual name. The same thing works if I'd like to take a more formal approach to greet my customer in this example and replace the first name variable with the last name as well as add a company name right after that. Now let's dive into if-else rules. With these rules, you can send different content to subscribers based on their preferences or actions. Let's say I'm gonna send this message to customers from different countries. In this case, I have to add if-else rules just to make sure that everyone will receive this message in their own language. So when I generate a preview of this message for one of my Spanish-speaking contacts, you can see how it completely transforms into Spanish. In my case, the same thing happens for people whose language is Portuguese or English accordingly. But you can always add as many languages as wanted. To show you another use case of if-else rules on the same email template, just take a look at the abbreviation MIS. This minor but very important detail is also being changed automatically depending on the customer's gender. If I generate a preview for one of my contacts whose gender was mentioned as male, you can see that the gender is being changed correspondingly. Anyways, once your campaign is successfully wrapped up, the system will provide you with one complete report. By the way, it's just one case of using if-else rules. The use cases are endless. Just channel your creativity and consider using variables and if-else rules together to create a dynamic and personalized customer experience. And the best part is that you can try this out right now and for absolutely free. Just follow the link below in the description and create a free Smart Sender account. See you there!